dripping on the blacktop street. Every step's a ghost that I can't meet. A whistle in the dark, it cuts so deep. Red light under the bridge, where the shadows hold their grudge. Love left me stranded on that ridge. Whiskey's a whisper in an empty glass. Bar stool creaks like a haunting past. The jukebox calls, but the song won't last. Footsteps echo, they don't wait. Fate's a gambler with a loaded plate. Sighs like a lonely tune. The moonlight's a liar, it fades too soon. Heartbreak's a thief in this dark saloon. Ranger whisper on the cracked concrete. Each step I take echo my defeat. Streetlights flicker like they're breaking too. A city of millions, but none for you. The neon doesn't know my name. It glows for strangers just the same. Whiskey burns, but it won't heal. A heart like mine that forgot to feel. Bar stools empty like the promises made. Shadows dancing where dreams decay. glass half full, but my soul runs dry. Reflections in puddles don't meet my eye. The jukebox hums a lonely tune. A melody lost under the moon. The neon doesn't know my name. It glows for strangers just the same. Whiskey burns, but it won't heal. A heart like mine that forgot to feel. The city's a lover that never stays. She kisses with rain and walks away. I hold the glass like it's holding me. But even the bourbon won't set me free. Neon drips on the pavement's face. Street lights hum like a ghost in space. Whiskey whispers in an empty glass. The bar's got secrets it won't confess. Stools sit lonely in their Sunday best. Wabash hums with a cigarette wrap. Cigarette blues on Wabash tonight. The smoke curls slow, but the pain feels right. Every drag is a memory I can't rewrite. Footsteps echo in a hollow street. Shadows dance where the city bleeds. Heartache rides the L train line. Windows fog with a breath of sin. A jukebox tune crawls under my skin. This city's a lover that don't stay mine. Oh, the rain's got a rhythm, but it don't heal. It taps my shoulder, but it don't feel. comes low, like a restless sigh. The shadow slips past where the echo light. Whiskey burns slow in a chipped glass cup. Dreams in the gutter, never look up. Neon echoes down the alley tonight. Red and blue flickers chasing the night. Empty bar stools hold secrets untold. This city's heart beats lonely and cold. Taps the pavement like a fading tune. Streetlights flicker, pale as a moon. Footsteps vanish where the darkness creeps. This town's a thief that never sleeps. Windows whisper, stories unfold. Memories linger, hard to hold. Neon echoes down the alley tonight. Red and blue flickers chasing the night. Empty bar stools hold secrets untold. This city's heart beats lonely and cold. Vintage Strat hums through a smoky haze. Notes bending softly in a mournful phrase. Lost voices linger in the heavy air. You can feel the weight, but no one's there. Pavement like a quiet hymn. Street lights flicker where the shadows swim. Neon whispers paint the walls so thin. A bottle in my hand, my patience wearing grim alleyway. At 2:14 a.m., where the silence cuts like a phantom's hymn. Heart's a jukebox spinning broken gems. I'm alive, but I'm not well. Empty bar stool holding ghosts tonight. Whiskey's warm, but the room feels tight. My mind on wheels like a distant fight. Chicago's veins bleed cold moonlight. Every crack in the sidewalk knows my name. Every corner's a player in this quiet game. Alleyway at 2:14 a.m., where the silence cuts like a phantom's hymn. Heart's a jukebox spinning broken gems. I'm alive, but I'm not a them. Smoke curls up like a lover's sigh. Stars are hiding, even they feel shy. The city breathes, but it don't reply. And I'm just here asking why.
Slow bend, low rain, taxi lights, window stains on my look aside. Michigan air at midnight, lonely streets that watch me, sidewalks slip with yesterday. Whiskey glasses line the bar, every ring a lost name. Empty bar stools in a row, like jurors staring me down. Our sturdy eyes kill the noise, let the Stratocaster drown this town. I see a taxi ghost on Michigan Ave, headlights floating through the haze. Every brake light feels like you, then it disappears away. Taxi goes on Michigan Ave, just my heart in the rearview glass. I'm broken but I'm walking stronger with every shadow we pass. Bartender wipes the same spot, says you're still chasing her trail. I laugh low, say man I'm done, but my eyes they tell the tale. Neon street reflections ripple on the liquor skin. Cinematic noir Chicago rolling slow beneath my grin. Was it love or just the late night? Was it us or just the rain? I tip my hat to the doorway, let the dark absorb your name out the door. Collar up, deep bass in my chest, steady true, these lonely streets still hurt me, but they're not as lonely without you. Slow walk down Michigan Ave, brushes whisper, city hums, taxi ghosts fade in the distance. I'm heartbroken, yeah, but I'm strong. One last bend from that vintage strap, smoky room disappearing behind. Taxi ghosts on Michigan Ave, growing smaller in my mind.
Street lights hum a quiet tune. Neon blinks like a fading moon. Sidewalks crack just like my pride.
Echoes whisper where dreams have died. For a shot before sunrise, the glass don't lie. No alibi, whiskey burns, but I feel alive. For a shot before sunrise. Bar stools cold where you used to sit. Cigarette smoke dancing, won't quit. Jukebox croons a love song's ghost. Empty chairs, I'm the only host. The city weeps, it knows my name. Lonely streets play a losing game. For a shot before sunrise, the glass don't lie. No alibis, whiskey burns, but I feel alive. For a shot before sunrise. Every drink's a battle I won't win. The Stratocaster moans, cries deep. Even the night's too tired to sleep. Streetlights hum like they're singing my name. Neon flicker, but it don't feel the same. Echoes bounce off the wall of my brain. Cold coffee on the counter, whiskey by my side. Empty bar stools watching as I swallow my pride. Cold coffee on the counter and a heart I can't hide. Wind's got teeth cutting through my coat. City whisper, but it don't take no. Every shadow feels like a sinking boat. Rain on the pavement,
the drop falls slow, but nothing will last. Cold coffee on the counter, whiskey by my side, empty bar stools watching as I swallow my pride. Cold coffee on the counter, and a heart I can't hide. That jukebox ain't playing, stuck in its ways, just like me in these long lost days. Smoke curls up like a ghost in the night. I'm here, but I'm fading out of the fight. Street lights hum a quiet tune, broken bottle, shadows strewn, sidewalk crack like maps of pain. Neon flicker, red and blue, reflections twist, they lie to you. This city knows my name. Last bar with no patron, just me and the clock. Whiskey whispers louder than the tick and the top. I'm here, but I'm gone, lost in a sad, sweet song. Bartender's ghost, he pours me true. An empty room, a bitter booth, every chair's a story untold. Glass half full, but my heart's bone dry. This jukebox moans a goodbye sigh. The air feels 10 years old. Rain taps like fingers on the pane. Chicago weeps, it hides its pain. Neon signs hum, they don't say much.
Sidewalks shine with a whiskey touch. Street lights broken, flickers dim. Feels like the city's sinking in. The air tastes heavy, like a lie. This room's got secrets I can't buy. A room with too many secrets. They lean on the walls and stare, whispering low in the shadows, but nobody's really there. Stools empty, those sit tall. They drink the silence, hear it fall. The mirror holds a face I know, but it's cracked, so the truth won't show. The jukebox plays a song of sin. The door creaks shut, won't let me win. A room with too many secrets. They lean on the walls and stare, whispering low in the shadows, but nobody's really there.
Neon's home, it flickers low. Streetlights casting the shadow show. The bar stool creaks where no one sits. This town's a ghost with whiskey lips. Last tip for the bartender.
Keep the change.
Pour me one more for the hurt and strain. This heart ain't broke, just rearranged. Last tip for the bartender. keep the change. Jukebox coughs a lonely tune, a saxophone cries to the moon, empty glass, a hollow sound. Love got lost, but I'm still around. City's heartbeat skips,
It stumbles
under the train where thunder rumbles. Last tip for the bartender, keep the change. Pour me one more for the hurt and strange. This heart ain't broke, just rearrange. Last tip for the bartender, keep the change. Step I take, it pulls me near. I see her face in every glare, but her voice is gone. Just the city's air. The rain hits the pavement like a slow jazz tune. Neon signs flicker, drowning out the moon. Belmont's ghost whispers, but it won't call my name. Broken strings on Belmont, they still try to sing. A bottle of bourbon, the weight of everything. The night plays tricks, but it don't mean a thing. The bartender's wiping with no one left behind. Empty bar stools, shadows keep the time. A jukebox sighs, another heart's rewind. Whiskey burns, the soul it learns, but the city don't stop, it just turns. Broken strings on Belmont, they still try to sing. A bottle of bourbon, the weight of everything. The night plays tricks, but it don't mean a thing. Street lights dance with puddles, a Noir ballet, where the marble cries, where the words won't stay. A Strat's last breath, faded nose decay. paint hit the pavement like a slow, sad song. Neon flickered broken where the nights are long. Whiskey in my hand, but it don't feel strong. She left when the rain came, left without a word. Footsteps in the puddle, the only sound I heard. She left when the rain came, vanished in the blur. Empty bar stools, staring like ghosts in a row. A jukebox coughing static where the memories flow. Her shadows in the doorway, but it won't let go. Every drop on the window, a tear she never cried. She left when the rain came, left without a word. Footsteps in the puddle, the only sound I heard. She left when the rain came, vanished in the blur. Chicago streets hum with a lonesome tune. I'm out of cold weather, like the cry of the moon. I light another cigarette, try to forget too soon. Streetlights hum a low refrain. Neon drips like midnight rain. Sidewalk cracks hold secrets deep. The lube don't talk, it just lets me weep. Monday night in the loop, whiskey whispers in my glass. Bar stools empty, shadows cast. I'm strong enough, but still I stoop. Monday night in the loop. Footsteps echo where dreams have died. The wind it howls like it's on my side. A harmonica cry from a distant hand. It's me in this city, and neither will bend. The train rolls by, a ghost and steel. No one knows the ache I feel. Monday night in a loop, whiskey whispers in my glass. Bar stools empty, shadows cast. I'm strong enough, but still I stoop. Monday night in a loop. Ashtrays full of burned out stars. The jukebox moans from some old bar. I walk these streets till I'm just a blur. The city don't care, neither does her. Neon flickers in the puddles on the ground. Whiskey's whisper with the silence make a sound. Empty stool, shadows tall. This ain't a place for feeling small. Crosswind on the lakefront, cutting through my soul. Every gust is still in pieces, every wave a toll. The city's got a heartbeat, but it don't beat for me. Crosswind on the lakefront, setting my heart free. Cobblestones, they echo every step I take. Streetlights shiver, and the skyline starts to ache. She left a mark deep and wide. Now Chicago holds my pride. The wind hums low, it knows my pain like a ghost train running through my veins. Crosswind on the lakefront, cutting through my soul. Every gust is still in pieces, every wave a toll. The city's got a heartbeat, but it don't beat for me. Crosswind on the lakefront.
heart